Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace front shocks on a Dodge Ram 2500 4x4. First, gather your essential tools like a floor jack, jack stands, and a socket set. Always ensure your truck is on a level surface and use proper safety gear, including eye protection and gloves. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on your front wheels. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe shock replacement process. Now that your truck is safely elevated, it's time to remove the old shocks. Begin by completely removing the front wheel, giving you clear access to the shock absorber. Next, locate and unbolt the upper and lower shock mounts. You might need a 12mm or 14mm wrench for this. Sometimes, compressing the old shock slightly helps it slide out easily. Take your time to avoid any sudden movements. With the old shock out, let's install the new one. Start by positioning the top of the new shock into its upper mount. Then, align the lower mount with its corresponding hole and insert the bolt. Hand tighten both bolts initially. Once everything is aligned, use your wrench to tighten all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Double-check that all bushings and washers are correctly seated for optimal performance. You're almost done. Reinstall the front wheel, hand tightening the lug nuts in a star pattern. Carefully lower your Dodge Ram 2500 4x4 off the jack stands. Once on the ground, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds, typically around 130 foot-pounds. Finally, take your truck for a short test drive to confirm everything feels right and the new shocks are performing well. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.